Good morning, Niger, and welcome to your Health Corner, where me, myself, and I, your one and only Dr. Adora, they carry all the better gist they give you on top the cajadness of your body. And we don't yarn you about color blindness and how the thing they affect your body, they cause different kasala, and how you fit manage them. Then from there, we can waka enter glaucoma, will be one of the major causes of blindness for Obodo and beyond. You know, say this glaucoma, like I explained yesterday, in a condition where they damage your eye, the optic nerve, and the optic nerve in own work now to capture pictures for outside, can send message to the brain, say, see wetin I see oh. And wetin dey happen, say, for this one, if you get glaucoma and it damage the optic nerve, it will come they get worse over time. And wetin dey happen again, be say, you go to get build up of pressure inside your eye because you get one water where they inside the eye, where they cushion the eye, and when that water no get where they pass, they come out, and that time person fit get glaucoma. This glaucoma, sometimes for some people, it dey inherited, and you know they show up until later for inside life. This increased pressure, that they call an intraocular pressure, that na say na the pressure where they inside the environment of the eyes. If it could damage the optic nerve, like I explained, they transmit images to the brain. So if this damage to the optic nerve from high eye pressure continue and you not tackle on time, this glaucoma go cause permanent loss of vision until say you no go to see well again at all. Without treatment, this glaucoma, if it cause permanent blindness within few years. Because most people, they get this glaucoma and they no get early symptoms or they know they get pain from this increased pressure. That's now why we they beg. We they plead between us, say, I beg, go they see your eye doctor. Try at least 2 to 3 times in a year. Go visit eye doctor. So that if you get this glaucoma, they go quick diagnose them, treat them before blindness can happen. Then if you do over the age of 40 and you get family history of glaucoma, also say person for your family, get this glaucoma, you should have a complete eye exam with an eye doctor every 1 to 2 years. Then if you get health problems, so like diabetes, or you get family history of glaucoma, like I said, or you dey at risk of any other eye disease, I beg, this will not be something a person go dey talk every time. Go visit your doctor. Make kasala no go bust one day, you go dey look, you go just notice say, you know they see well again. So wetin dey happen? Some people go dey ask now, say wetin dey happen where they make this pressure to dey rise inside the eye to go cause glaucoma? Well, glaucoma, like we talk, it dey increase when this pressure don't increase for inside eye. And this one dey happen when the eye fluid, that na the water where they inside the eye, no they circulate normally to the front part of the eye. You know, so I tell you yesterday, say the water they originate from the back of the eye, go come circulate to the front. So normally this fluid, they call them aqueous humor. They flow out of the eye through one kind channel like that. And then if this channel can they blocked, the fluid go can they build up, will go cause this glaucoma. And the direct cause of this blockage, they never sabi am. But doctors know say na something will be fit inherit and mean say you fit pass them from papa, mama to the children. Now here I go stop. From Monday, I go still recap this glaucoma, can tell you some of the less common causes of glaucoma, plus other things where you fit do if you know say you don't already get them. My name is Dr. Adora, and I wish you Kajad weekend. I go see you next week.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.